Good morning to everybody. Today, I am going to share with you a German story. I am a sexy. This is a movie taken by Germany and it was screened in Goa and as well as Delhi. Follow me, it is a German movie. The heroine of the movie is Marika. She was very much interested in becoming a model. So, to that effect, with the aim, she was doing all her things. Jutta, her mother, she was working in a garment shop. Regularly, she used to go and do her work and turn back. The heroine, Marika, used to go her mother's shop. Since it is a garment shop, she used to wear various dresses and took snaps, enabling her to become a model. Because Marika is very much interested in becoming a model. So, she used to go there and take various dresses and wear. And her friend, known as Susan, a girlfriend, known as Susan, she used to come and she used to accompany her and she used to take photo. Follow me. Her mother asked, why you were doing all these things, Marika? Marika has replied that I want to become a model. To that effect, I am taking snaps and it is going to be produced before the modeling instructor. Hey, what is this? It will cost more. Our family circumstances and our financial status is not up to the mark. So drop the idea. No, mummy, I want to become a model. And I am very strong on this. So saying, she was doing all these things. And along with Susan, she has approached the modeling instructor and produced her photos. The modeling instructor has perused all these things and informed her that I have seen all these things, but one thing, your physique is not up to the mark. It is so, you are seem to be a pumpkin. So you must reduce considerably your weight and you come with $1,000. Marika was surprised and shocked. How could she bear $1,000? She came and asked her mother, Mummy, I am interested in becoming model. I have told on the other day, and now I have contacted the instructor who has told me that to bring $1,000. No, we could not do it. So you drop your idea. But you know what Marika has done? Marika's grandpa is nearby her village. She started going there with her cycle because by way of cycling she could reduce her physique, she could reduce her weight considerably and she could earn money while sitting on the grandpa's shop. So 2 in 1. Follow me. Nearby her grandpa's shop, one more shop is there. There, Amir is a boy who is an Arabic boy. That heroine has fallen in love with Amir and she wanted to confirm whether that fellow is also having the same thought. Follow me. Her friend told Joda, he is an Arab. He was definitely interested in snake dance. So, you go and train snake dance and you could easily mingle with him. So saying, both of them joined in a dance class. So she has learnt the snake dance. She has learnt the snake dance. While she was completing that, her friend Amir, whom she has fallen in love, got married and came there. She was much dejected on seeing the very things. But however, she was successfully came out with the dance program. Follow me. Quite contrary to her expectation, all her hairs fallen down. She was much dejected, and then while she was attempting, her mother asked her and told, there are various ways. You take topa, and you wear it, various styles, and you follow, and you could proceed. Your dancing is definitely being appreciated by every people. So leave all these things. Mummy, I am much dejected. Don't worry. A day has come. In the auditorium, the dance program has been conducted. Marika's dance program has been conducted. But she wear topa. See, her dance was attracted by every person in the auditorium. Everybody cried as Marika, Marika, Marika. She came with success. So, what is the thing behind this is, if you are unable to obtain or you are unable to achieve one motto, you could change another motto, you could change another idea, and you could lead your life. So this is a story which was screened in the International Film Festival, which was held in Goa just two decades back. It's a German movie. Okay, I will see you in another video. Thank you.